Comparison operators are used to compare two values. The double equals to operator compares two values and returns true if the values are same. Let's try to console a double equals to b. This should give us false because the values are different. Let's change the value of b to 10 and now let's print our output. Since the values are same, the output gets to be true. Now, if we change the value of b from a number to string, let's see what the output says. It's still true because the double equals to operator does not check the type of the variable. For this, we have triple equals to operator which also checks the type of variable. Since the type of these values is different, the output is false. Let's see some other comparison operators as well. We have the greater than equal to. If a is greater than or equal to b, the output should be true, which is true in this case. If we say a is less than b, which is clearly false, the output should be false. We have another operator which is called the not operator and denoted by an exclamation mark. If we print true and run, our output will be true. But if we use the not operator just before true, the output will be reversed and false will be printed. If we print a double equals to b, which should be false in this case, but if we use a not equals to b, then the output will be reversed and in this case it will become true.